What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys are new here, fuck off. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys are new here, my name is Chris. We're in the house. Go do the thing. Hit the button. Join us. We're going fast. Ooh, I just realized I'm throwing around this microphone. That whole thing probably sounded really stupid. I'm just like, yeah. But anyway, let's go. Choose your character. Like, stupid, bro. Little spring cleaning, if you will. Oh my god, bro, my phone has been ringing all morning. Yes? Let's go down to the boat. The vessel. Hey, girl. Whoa, the water is super high. Holy shit. It's literally flush with the dock. What the hell? It's usually like 6 inches under the dock. Oh, it's gonna be a good day. Oh, it's gonna be a good day. Dude, 4-cylinder cars and 4-cylinder boats. I just need to turbocharge this girl. Cold start. All right, boys. Let's go get some. You got the 90 horse, bro? We'll let her empty out a little bit and we'll get out there and see what we can do. Oh, this is gonna be sick. First day, we're filming on the vlog on the lake, bros. Go hit the like button for your boy. Do some fishing, work on the car. Videos are about to be so sick. So, for those who don't know, we are on Mascoma Lake. Pretty good sized lake in New Hampshire. Well known for smallies, not so much for largies. Really good for smaller stuff. Lots of sunfish, lots of crappie, pretty big crappie. I'm gonna bring you on this little journey here. This is so weird, the water is so high. This is so funny, I'm just out here screaming on the lake and nobody has any idea why. Yes, sir. Look at that little whale tail. Oh, also, trolling motor battery's dead, so I gotta just kind of ride the water. Everything's moving that way today, so we'll just kind of keep coming up and riding it down a little bit. Phone again, god damn, bro. Yeah, we're kind of riding it raw today. I don't have any fishy findies. I don't have any depth, so we're gonna go easy. All right, bros, what do we think? Back on the vlog. Oh, I got a net on here. Shit, I don't think about that. Where are all the claws at? Yeah, give me that. Yes! The vlogs have hit peak. Just so you guys know, I don't know why I got this random splurge in my head that like I was gonna, so I absolutely have another car that we're gonna add to the channel and I already know what it is and when and where and why. So I'm gonna hint that in here for those who are actually watching and listening. And just stay tuned for that, because in my head I'm like, okay, there might be the chance that we have to build a GTI and then we need something that we can still drive and make content that'll be fun with, and I already found what it is and you guys are gonna love it. Bro, the weight's already right. Look at that. And I pulled off. Money. Fish are all confused. The water is way up. Temperature's probably way down. What? No way. No luck. Let's move up a little. Nice and steady. Let's not stir them all up. Come on. Nothing. Oh, no, that was so dumb. I pulled away. No. Look at that thing swim. Look at that thing swim. Hit him with the... Yut. I want to get one before we go. I want to get one before we work on the car. Just you guys wait till I get something. I'm going to be like every YouTuber that does fishing. I'm like, yep, it's a biggin. Biggin, 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 biggin. Get the net. Get the net.
Can't see how deep it is. I was thinking I was gonna have time for one more spot, but I think we're just gonna boogie back.
Let's booger sugar. Day 2, 7 days later, we back. Dude, peep these. These came out sick. I was testing out this company for the new stickers. Literally tight. We love that. We're gonna stick those everywhere. If you find those in the wild, that's crazy. One time for the boys, because I didn't do it. Yut. And we bet, and we bet, and we bet. Oh yeah. All right, boys. We ready to do this shit? Yut. Lighting, upgrade. I gotta add one more in over there. One day here, this is gonna be a shop, my boy. All right. Where do we want to leave off? What's our goal here? That's my question. We'll get everything off the front of this in case we do have to pull that. I'll say this, I've decided 2 directions. If there's the direction where, you know, we got some compression issues and things like that, I have figured out that direction. And if we have the direction where this is not that bad, it didn't make it to that point, which I think it did, judging by that. If it didn't get to that point, I do know what I want to do for the rest of the season, and I have another plan. I got plans, boys. I need to see in there. Let's find out. If you guys made it to this portion of the video, go ahead and hit the like button for the boy. We'll say I'm pretty excited for this. Weirdly enough, now that I've got my mind around it and I'm all good, it is exciting. This could be really cool. This could go one of 2 ways, and I'm hoping it goes one way. But if it doesn't, it's still cool. Really like this intake, but the only thing that's weird to me is literally that bolt is the only thing that holds us in here besides these grommets. Like, yeah. I have finally decided I do want to we're gonna build this regardless. It'll be a little bit more aggressive than it was. It'll be a different thing. And I would really like to get something that we can bring back the fun content on top of this. So I am getting, I almost said it. I am getting another transport device. So go down below. I want to hear what your guesses are because I don't think people are going to guess it, except Cole. You're not allowed to guess. I fucking hate getting this thing off of here. Don't scratch. Very nice. Oh yes, like this. Oh yes, like this. This is how she likes it, like this. Oh, you want to see something crazy? Oh my god. Look at the fucking crack. Look at the crack. Last year I was driving this and I had a rock hit this and leave a perfect circle crack, and I was like, well, that's depressing. And then the other day I pulled my phone mount off of here and it literally fucking cracked the windshield, dude. What even is that? Wow. This is the dumbest thing ever. Aw, she looks so sad. We need to get some nice stuff for this, make her look nice. Show the girl some respect. I love this car. This is so crazy. Is it not wild that, like, if you guys are new here and you haven't seen my old stuff, just go back, not for the sake of like, oh, go watch my old videos. Go look at like the first couple videos that happened here, and now look at like what's going on. I've got a house with a garage with this freaking turd. She's a, you know, she's just, you're a turd, baby. You're a turd, but you're my turd. I don't think I've ever had this crash bar off of here. Like ever. These are 16s? What the fudge? What the fudge? Need a little wobbler. A little extendo boy. These boys need some never sees, brother. Okay. There she goes. Oh yeah. What the fudge are you doing? Yeah. Oh, so sweaty. So sweaty. 16. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hold up, I didn't think about this. I did this backwards. Abort mission. I got a little carried away. Just a little. That, kids, is why we never seize things. Never seize the opportunity. Let's see how bad these bad Jacksons are. Jesus, there he goes. Huh. Wait, this is just paint. That's flake off of something on the inside. Huh. Okay. Huh. It's a little... Oh, cross your fingers, boys. Maybe we'll get lucky. Passenger side. Oh my glob, it's hot out here. Those are wet. My cracker's already wet. Nice, be nice. This side should be bad. This side is bad. Whoa, why is there so much oil in here? That's not helping. Didn't think about that. Oh man, I got shop towels too. Man, things, you know what, guys? You know what? I got a pink trash bag and fucking shop towels. Things are looking up, honestly. We'll be right back after these brief commercials. There might be hope at the end of this tunnel, boys. There's some in here, but it's super, 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 super fine. It's much better looking than on the other end. There might be hope at the end of this tunnel. That all looks clean in there. No shit. Cookie bags. That's what we're using for parts. Let's end there. Let's get this, let's flip everything up. Let's get this turbo out of here and let's call it good there. I think that's a good stopping point. I don't have a bunch of pans. I can't take it out yet. All right, I will do everything except pull it and we'll go from there. Yeah, I can't do that yet. Shit, that sucks. I didn't think about that. I don't have any of my jugs or pans or anything to catch everything. What you know about that shaved 10? What you know about that shaved 10, boy? I swear to God, I've made 37 of these. Let me at it, baby. Alright, bros, we gonna pull the battery out of old girl. I think we're gonna call it. I totally spaced this. I don't have any of my drain pan. I don't have anything to drain this. That was super stupid. We cannot get as deep as I wanted to. We got everything set up though. So next video, we'll get the drain pans, drop everything on, drop the coolant, drop the oil. I think we'll be all right. We can, and then we can pull that out. If you made it to this portion of the video, I'm soaked. That thing's tore apart and business as usual. Just keep driving. If you guys like the video, go down there, hit the like button. I will catch you on the next one. Your boy's out. Peace. I'm so glad.